Hi everyone, Selena here. In this quick video, we'll learn how to set up ShortPixel Image Optimizer for WordPress and go through some steps on how to use it real quick. First, go to your WordPress admin area and click on Plugins and then Add New. Then, find the plugin by typing ShortPixel Image Optimizer in the search field. Next, click on Install Now button, and once installed, the button will change to Activate. Click on that afterward. Next step is to set up the API key. Go to the plugin settings by navigating to Settings and then ShortPixel. You can request an API key for free by typing in your email address. This will create a ShortPixel account for you, and you will receive the details via email. If you already have an account, you can log in via the website here, and then click API Keys. Copy your key, paste it in the settings, and click the Validate button. All done. The next part is the setup, which you can fine-tune as per your needs. Let's look at the most important part, the compression type. In short, to achieve the optimal file size while making a slight compromise on image quality, choose the lossy compression option. If you prefer a balance between quality and file size, select glossy. For the highest quality at a slightly larger file size, choose lossless compression. You can click on the Run a Few Tests link to visit the website and run some tests to determine which compression type works best for you. As a general note, after doing changes in the settings, don't forget to click the Save Changes button here. The other settings really depend on your needs. You can learn more about each one of them by clicking this tooltip here. As an example, under the Advanced tab, we can see that the Optimize Media on Upload setting is set as active. This means that newly uploaded images will be automatically processed by ShortPixel. Now that the heavy lifting is done, let's see how that works out. Let's go to Media and then Library and add a new image to the website. After uploading it, we can see that ShortPixel started processing it. Wowie! The image got compressed way more than I expected. What about the images that were uploaded before installing ShortPixel? Well, you can optimize them manually via the library by clicking this Optimize Now button. Otherwise, if let's say you have a lot of images, you can go to Media and then bulk ShortPixel to have them all processed at once. Here, click the Start Optimizing button, then click Calculate, wait for the plugin to do some counting, and then finally click the Start Bulk Optimization button here. The bulk optimization process might take some time depending on how heavy your library is. You can do anything else in the meantime, but remember to keep a tab open in your browser while the bulk runs. If something intervenes and you have to close your computer, no worries. You can resume the bulk once you're back. Also, if for whatever reason you have to stop the bulk optimization entirely, the images that were optimized until that moment will remain so. Well, that's about it. The plugin is designed to be simple and straightforward. However, if you face any difficulties along the way, our support team is happy to assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for any help you may need. Kisses! Selena out.